Imagine you're working on a Flutter project and encounter a common design problem. You want to wrap text around an image, giving your app a visually appealing layout. The challenge lies in achieving this layout without compromising the aesthetics of your user interface. This is where the problem arises. Now, let's dive into the solution to this problem. The key to achieving the desired text wrapping effect is to utilize the drop_cap_text package. By incorporating this package into your Flutter project, you can seamlessly wrap text around an image, creating a professional and engaging design for your app. With the drop_cap_text package, you can easily configure the text wrapping behavior to suit your specific requirements. By following the provided code snippet and guidelines, you can implement the desired text wrapping effect with ease. This solution offers a simple yet effective way to enhance the visual presentation of text and images in your Flutter application. Continuing with the solution, the next step involves utilizing the DropCapText widget to integrate the wrapped text and image layout. By setting the appropriate parameters, such as text padding and image dimensions, you can fine-tune the layout to achieve the desired visual impact. This approach ensures that your text wraps neatly around the image, creating a harmonious design that enhances the overall user experience. In summary, by leveraging the drop_cap_text package and implementing the provided code snippets, you can effortlessly wrap text around an image in your Flutter application. This solution offers a practical and efficient way to elevate the visual appeal of your app's interface, creating a compelling user experience. So why not give it a try and enhance the design of your Flutter project today? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below.